VisionWide is a professional-grade CNC double-column machine manufacturer. We incorporate world-class components to produce top-quality boxway and linear guideway 5-face bridge machines. The BM Series double-column machine features movable crossrail with optional AH 5-face machining function. With VisionWide's unique FX interface, the BM Series further enhances the degree of accuracy and machining efficiency. BM machines are equipped with dual self-aligned hydraulic cylinders, dual linear scale, and dual synchronized feeding system. These components, combined with absolute type encoders on all 3 axes, vastly improve the positioning accuracy. The maximum workpiece size is 2 meters high by 3.5 meters wide. Most of the structures are made of robust casting iron. X-axis, equipped with 4 roller guideways. All series are equipped with strategically placed ball screw supports. This design not only vastly increases the feed rate, but also prolongs the life of the ball screws. The maximum loading weight can reach up to 32 tons. The maximum X-axis travel is 10.2 meters. The Y-axis features wider distance between columns, thus making it possible to machine larger-sized workpieces. Despite the greater span, the superior Y-axis ladder boxway design assures machining stability. The dual hydraulic cylinder and nitrogen balance system maintains accuracy and stability during machining. The Japanese-made JIS zero-grade gears run quietly and efficiently. Gear-type spindle and direct-type spindle handle a wide range of machining requirements. W-axis is driven synchronously by dual servo motors with a particular balance system. It offers high accuracy on positioning control and is able to do machining at any position in the stroke. This system maintains balance not just in the hydraulic cylinders, but also X, Y, and Z axes simultaneously, thus enhancing machining height accuracy. The AH automatic 5-face machining package is also available and includes automatic head magazine, automatic vertical and horizontal tool change, automatic 90-degree head. Other diversified heads are further available. Optional full guard sliding door with door switch design conforms to CE regulations, guarding operator safety. Multi-sliding door design makes it convenient to load and unload workpieces. Pendulum-type operation panel allows easy reach and movement. The FX software developed by VisionWide Tech is a convenient, user-friendly interface which functions together with Fanuc 18i controllers. From tool type and tool length management, workpiece setup, to horizontal machining functions, the FX software makes it an easy and effortless operation. To obtain the highest degree of product quality and precision, VisionWide Tech applies the strictest ISO quality standards every step of the way. Furthermore, VisionWide assures product quality control with laser ball bar tests as well as a 72-hour non-stop run test to perfect our machines. VisionWide is constantly improving and expanding our line of CNC double-column machining centers, are applicable in a wide range of fields, ranging from wind power to petrochemical, automotive, to meet market demand. At VisionWide, our core value of quality and innovation goes into every machine. No matter what industry you are in, our proven expertise will help expand your possibilities and boost your bottom line.